Hey everybody, so welcome to Stock Likes. So recently in the last few days, I've been taking a flyer here with one stock that you can compare it to Tesla, but not really. It's Lucid. So I've been slowly DCAing into it. It's kind of a gamble here because I think it's at $2.78 last time I checked, but and they're losing so much per car, and the whole chart, if you look, you don't even have to pull up the technicals on it. You could see it's just a straight drop down. And so I'm trying to, with my Roth IRA, just doing a little DCA here, just once a day and just slowly. But just like anything, you could really, even though it's cheap, under $3, they could still go lower, and it could still do like some reverse split, and you can always catch yourself off guard. Even when you think it's cheap, it's not really cheap. So they've lost per quarter is almost, I thought I looked at it was like 500 million or something, like it's just getting worse and worse. And then it could almost equal up to $1 billion, or I don't know, somebody was figuring like 2 billion or something like that. I don't know how they were figuring it, and it was like per car they were losing almost 200,000. They're losing money basically, and then they're on top of that, they're only producing 20,000 cars. But like I'm saying, I'm taking a flyer here, so it's a gamble, but I'm not putting a ton of money into it. I tried that with like Solo, if you remember that company, and I got out, and I think they were sold or almost close to bankrupt, sold by some other company that does like off-road EVs. But I've learned my lesson there. Like, not everything is Tesla, but I'm trying it here anyways. But the point of it is, I'm not putting a lot of money into it. I'm hoping that they can recover. That'd be great. 10 years out, they turn into another Tesla, but their production volume is so low, and they don't know how to ramp up cars. But then again, Rivian is having the same problem. I mean, I really like Lucid cars, the Air, and they're coming out with Gravity, and they're reasonable priced. I think they're 69 and up for the Air, and I think they're 400 mile range, and I think they're working on an 800 mile range. They're working with Panasonic, and kind of the same kind of ways that Tesla had in the beginning, but they just really gotta fix their finances for me to be more hopeful. But I'm gonna try. So here I am driving my car. It's definitely not a Lucid. But yeah, with anything in life, you gotta just try, take a gamble here and there. And I figured because it's my Roth IRA, may as well. But it just worries me that they lost the subsidy. They may lose that with Trump getting in there, and then I think Tesla really doesn't need that EV subsidy anymore, but I know Lucid definitely does. And without that, it could even hurt them more. So that's why I think they were down last couple days. And then also there was a analyst that changed reiterated his hold, and then lowered the forecast to $2 a share. So yeah, definitely don't put all your eggs in Lucid, and don't make a big investment on Lucid at all. I would not. So you put maybe $1,500, and that's the most you want to gamble, and then go ahead and do that. That's fine. It's not personal advice, investing advice or anything. Like, yeah, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but just my point is just make a small investment into that. I mean, that's what I'm doing. Just making a small investment into Lucid and giving it a try. But anyways, I just want to give my quick talk on Lucid. Hope everybody stays good. It's cold and rainy right now. Even in Florida, we had the snowstorms up north. It's crazy, but anyways, I just want to quit my talk on Lucid. If you like this video, like and comment, subscribe. If you're into Lucid too, I'd like definitely know your thoughts. What do you think about Lucid's long-term future? If you think it has one, or if it doesn't, or just let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll definitely guys see you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put the camera down while I'm driving. But yeah, like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.